We have heard of mountain biking, but this guy takes mountain biking to another level. Let me pause and explain to you what's going on. This guy, he's riding his mountain bike all the way up the top of the waterfall. He started from the very bottom and he's halfway through already. Let's play the video. There you can see him climbing all the way up. Sometimes he had to get off of his bike and push it a little bit up, and then he starts riding again. This guy has to be crazy. Let's pause another time. Guys, I know that this is adventurous to him, but at the same time, it's a very risky endeavor because he could fall with his bike. I mean, there could be some loose ground under the wheels of the bike and he falls straight to the bottom and he could lose his life. Let's keep on playing. He's almost to the top. Remember guys, he started from the very bottom and he's now almost to the top. And there you can see he's riding up again. This is ridiculous. Guys, comment below the video and let us know if you would attempt something like this. He's what I call a daredevil. And he's going up, he's gonna make it. I never thought that he would have made it when I started watching. I thought it would be impossible, but he made it. He made it to the top. This guy is brave. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Please give us a like. Click the thumbs up button to give us a like. More videos like these will be uploaded regularly.